Tick, tock, tick, tock, you hear that sound? It's not just a clock, it's your life, moving forward. Every second is a step you can take, or a step you lose. Some people say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow is a liar. Tomorrow hides behind excuses, and one day, you wake up and realize, tomorrow never came. This story is not just motivation, it's your mirror, your reminder, your wake-up call, because your time is running, and the question is, are you running with it? Lesson 1. Time is life. You can buy food. You can buy clothes. But you can never buy time. Time is not the clock on your wall. Time is your chance, your heartbeat, your breath. Every minute you waste is a minute gone forever. Let's make it simple. When you spend 1 hour complaining, you lose 1 hour of your story. But when you spend 1 minute learning, you build 1 brick in your future. Maybe you say, I don't have time to learn English. But look again. You have time when you stop scrolling. You have time when you wake up 10 minutes earlier. You have time when you choose to grow instead of waiting. Time isn't about how much you have done, it's about how you use what you have. Ask yourself, did I grow yesterday? Did I speak 1 new sentence? Or did I just wait? Remember this, if you don't respect time, you don't respect your life. Lesson 2, stop waiting. Why are you still waiting? Waiting for the perfect time. Waiting for confidence, waiting for someone to push you. The truth is, waiting doesn't protect you. It freezes you. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to move. Some people only wake up after bad news. A sickness, a loss, then they finally say, life is short. I must do something now. But why wait for pain to teach you? Why not wake up before the storm? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin, right now. Speak 1 word, write 1 sentence. Learn 1 thing. No one is stopping you, not your teacher, not your job, not your family, only you. You are the one who says, not now, or now is the time. The perfect moment is not coming. This is your moment. Lesson 3, keep moving. Life is not a straight road. It's full of bumps, wrong turns, and traffic. You will fall. You will forget. You will feel tired, but every step still counts. Think of a runner in a marathon, sometimes strong, sometimes weak, but they keep moving until the finish line. Your English journey is the same. It's not about speed. It's about progress. Study a little every day, listen to 1 short video, say 1 new sentence out loud. These tiny steps are powerful, because when you move, you grow, and when you help others, you grow even more. Teach a friend 1 word, share a phrase you learned, encourage someone who feels lost. When you give, you shine. When you share, you rise. And when life feels heavy, don't stop, take a breath, stand tall, and keep going. Say to yourself, I will not stop. I will keep moving. I am growing every day. Lesson 4, believe in change. You can't change what you don't believe. If you say, I can't speak English, your brain will believe it, but if you say, I can improve, your brain will open new doors. Belief is not just thinking, it's the spark that starts everything. It's the seed that grows into your new life. You are not your mistakes, you are not your past, you are a person learning, growing, and trying. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? What is holding me back? Do I believe I can change? If your answer is yes, even a small yes, hold it close, protect it, feed it every day with positive words. Say, I am responsible for my time and my future. I believe in myself. Because when you believe first, change follows. Lesson 5, live with purpose. Many people are alive but not living. They wake up, go to work, come home, sleep, and repeat. They are moving, but they are not going anywhere. Why? Because they have no purpose. Purpose is the fire inside you. It's the reason you wake up with energy. It's the voice that says, I want more. I can be more. So ask yourself, why are you learning English? Is it for your career, for your family, for travel, to meet new people? Whatever your reason, feel it deeply, write it down. Say it out loud, because when learning feels hard, your why keeps you strong. When people laugh at your mistakes, your why pushes you forward. And remember, don't live only for yourself, use your learning to lift others, teach, inspire, encourage. When your purpose is bigger than your fear, you become unstoppable. The final message: your time is now. The story ends here, but your real story begins now. The clock keeps ticking, but you are the one who chooses what those seconds mean. Time will not stop for you. So don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for perfect, start now. Speak one sentence, read one page, take one step, because no one else can live your life. No one else can speak with your voice. No one else can build your dream. Look in the mirror and say, I am alive. I have time. I will use it well. Because this second, this heartbeat, is your life. Don't waste it, use it. Live it. Become it.